numbers 37 through 40, we're asked to perform the indicated operations. First one is addition, the other three are multiplication. We'll start with 37. Remember, with addition or subtraction, we are just combining like terms. So we're going to add the real parts, 3 plus 5 equals 8, and then add the imaginary parts, 2i and negative 7i gives us negative 5i. In number 38, 39, and 40, in each case we're going to do FOIL to complete the multiplication, or in other words, double distribution. I'll put the arrows in for number 38. First term times first term times last, inner times inner, and the two last terms. We'll get 4 multiplications, of which the answers are 5, negative 5i, negative 6i, and positive 6i squared. Remember, we have to combine like terms. Specifically, the two middle terms in each double distribution problem will be like terms. We get 5 minus 11i. One more step is required for these problems because there's an I squared. Remember, the definition of I is the square root of negative 1. Therefore, I squared is equal to negative 1. Anytime we see I squared, we need to replace it with a negative 1. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. And now we can add that to the constant 5. And we'll get negative 1 minus 11i. Let's do 39 down here a little bit. I'll again multiply first terms, then the outer terms, then the inner terms, and then the last terms. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 2i is plus 16i. Negative 2 times 8 is minus 16i. And negative 2i times positive 2i is negative 4i squared. Notice, because these two binomials were the same but with different signs inside, the two inner terms drop out, and we just get 64 minus 4 times negative 1, which equals 64 plus 4 is 68. The last problem in this section, number 40, should first be rewritten to show both binomials, 2 minus 7i times 2 minus 7i. Again, we can do this by FOIL or double distribution. I'll put the arrows in. First times first, outer times outer, inner times inner, and last times last. The resulting multiplications give us 4 minus 14i minus 14i and plus 49i squared. 4. Let's combine the two like terms in the middle to get negative 28i. And then the last term would be 49 times negative 1, which is negative 49. We have two constant terms that we need to combine, and we get negative 45 minus 28i. The final answer for number 40 is negative 45 minus 28i.